Hello everyone, my name is Tiago and today we will talk about the array point sort method. So we can use it to sort uh, strings alphabetically, and we can use it to sort numbers, but pay attention that because we have to pay some special attention when sorting numbers, because we need to do some more things to it work correctly. So mm, watch the whole video, because I will show the wrong way to sort numbers and the right way to sort numbers, so you will know what to do. First, let's start with sorting strings alphabetically. uh, all we need to do is to call the method. It will mutate our array, so we don't have to store it again. So as you can see here, we have some names. They aren't sorted, and just calling the method sort on this array, it will be sorted. So as you can see here, A C G L T Z. So I'm always the last on lists, because Z alone I never saw someone with this name, so I'm always the last one. So now, uh, you saw here that we can use in sort to alphabetically sort strings, but just calling sort with numbers doesn't exactly work. So here, as you can see, we have some numbers that aren't sorted, but when we call sort without passing any arguments, as you can see here, it isn't sorted. So why does this happen? Because when we call sort without passing arguments, these numbers are being treated as strings. So what's really counting here is the ASCII number from it. So in practice it just counts the first number. So as you can see, 1 1 4 5 7. So it isn't sorting, it is ignoring the rest of the numbers, because it's being considered uh, as a string. So let's see here now how to sort it correctly. So I will first comment this, because we are going to use the arrow function to explain first. So now we are passing here two arguments, a and b, that will be like two numbers from the array that are going to be compared. So what we are doing here, there is a return implicitly here. So we are returning the value that we get doing a subtraction between these two numbers. So if the result of a minus b is less than 0, it is because b is bigger than a. So now we have the parameters to sort the values. So let me execute it. What what happened? I don't know what happened. This extension is crazy. And now, as you can see, we have it correctly sorted. All the numbers are correctly sorted. And I just made this other example to show you that here we used an arrow function, because I think it's cleaner than this one. But it may be better to explain with this one, because now we will be able to see the values being compared. So here, instead of making an arrow function, we are calling a function, passing these two arguments, and opening curly braces and returning. This console log isn't needed. We are going to use just to see the comparings happening. Not happening because it's almost instant. So as I execute it, and now we have as here the numbers being compared. So 190 for 400. So now we can see here that the numbers are being compared, and we have the same result because it's exactly the same thing. Just there are some difference between normal functions and the arrow functions, but in this case it doesn't change anything. Cool, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and now that you know, you will never miss this again. Never forget to pass these arguments to have the correct results. So bye.